to be singing Sledgehammer by Rihanna. I hit a wall, I never felt so low, so low. Like a waterfall, my tears dropped to the floor, they left a swimming pool of salted crimes, oh. What can I do to change your mind? Nothing. I'm bracing for the pain and I am letting go. I'm using all my tears to get at myself. Oh, I hit a wall. I thought that I would hurt myself. Oh, I was sure your words would leave me unconscious. And on the floor, I'd be lying cold, lifeless. But I hit a wall, watch the fall. You're just another brick and I'm a sledgehammer. You're just another brick and I'm a sledgehammer.